I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Nvidia control panel, right-click the desktop and choose it, and make sure you run as administrator if any options are disabled. Once opened, confirm your GPU driver is current because outdated drivers hide or misreport resolutions. Make sure the intended display is connected via HDMI or DisplayPort and visible in the panel. Then navigate directly to display right arrow change resolution, so you can begin selecting or creating the correct resolution without detours. You now select the target monitor at the top left and scan the available resolution and refresh rate options. Choose the monitor's native resolution and the highest safe refresh rate for best clarity and motion. If your desired setting is missing, click Create Custom Resolution. Enter width, height, refresh rate, and timing parameters carefully, then click Test to verify stability. Make sure to save working presets. Once a custom mode passes testing, you can apply it consistently for games or productivity apps without guesswork. After choosing a resolution, click Apply and watch the display for artifacts or a black screen. Windows will revert automatically if you do not confirm. Once applied, test in a game or full-screen app to guarantee scaling and performance are correct. Make sure GPU scaling or monitor scaling doesn't introduce blurriness. If the screen fails, revert immediately or boot safe mode to reset. And if problems persist, perform a clean driver uninstall with the and reinstall the latest GeForce driver as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.